Using topic-specific vocabulary in your Ielts speaking and writing can greatly enhance your band score. Here are some examples of vocabulary organized by common Ielts topics. 1. Education. 1. Curriculum. The subjects comprising a course of study in a school or college. 2. Vocational training. Training for a specific occupation. 3. Pedagogy. The art or science of teaching. 4. Extracurricular activities. Activities outside the standard academic curriculum. 5. Lifelong learning. The practice of continuing to learn throughout life. Example sentence. Many schools are now incorporating vocational training into their curriculum to prepare students for real-world careers. 2. Environment. 1. Sustainability. Meeting the needs of the present without compromising future generations. 2. Renewable energy. Energy from a source that is not depleted when used, such as wind or solar power. 3. Deforestation. The clearing of trees, transforming a forest into cleared land. 4. Biodiversity. The variety of life in the world or in a particular habitat. 5. Carbon footprint. The total amount of greenhouse gases produced to support human activities. Example sentence. Governments must invest in renewable energy to reduce our carbon footprint and promote sustainability. 3. Technology. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. 2. Cybersecurity. The practice of protecting computer systems from digital attacks. 3. Digital divide. The gap between those who have access to modern information technology and those who don't. 4. Automation. The use of technology to perform tasks without human intervention. 5. Innovative. Featuring new methods, advanced and original. Example sentence. The digital divide is a pressing issue that governments need to address to ensure equal opportunities for education. 4. Health. 1. Preventive care. Measures taken to prevent diseases. 2. Sedentary lifestyle. A type of lifestyle involving little or no physical activity. 3. Mental health. A person's condition with regard to their psychological and emotional well-being. 4. Immunization. The process by which a person becomes protected from a disease. 5. Well-being. The state of being comfortable, healthy, or happy. Example sentence. Leading a sedentary lifestyle can have detrimental effects on one's mental health and overall well-being. 5. Work and employment. 1. Job satisfaction. The feeling of fulfillment or enjoyment from one's work. 2. Freelancing. Working independently, often for multiple clients. 3. Work-life balance. The ability to manage work responsibilities alongside personal life. 4. Career advancement. Progress in one's job or profession. 5. Redundancy. The state of no longer being in employment because there is no more work available. Example sentence. Achieving a good work-life balance is crucial for job satisfaction and overall health. 6. Travel and tourism. 1. Cultural heritage. Traditions, monuments, and customs inherited from the past. 2. Ecotourism. Tourism directed toward exotic natural environments to support conservation efforts. 3. Tourist attraction. A place of interest where tourists visit. 4. Itinerary. A planned route or journey. 5. Travel restrictions. Limitations on movement between places, usually for safety reasons. Example sentence. Ecotourism has gained popularity as it promotes the preservation of cultural heritage while benefiting local economies. 7. Society. 1. Social inequality. The existence of unequal opportunities and rewards for different social positions. 2. Demographics. Statistical data relating to the population and particular groups within it. 3. Community service. Voluntary work intended to help people in a particular area. 4. Social norms. Expected standards of behavior in a society. 5. Urbanization. The increase in the proportion of people living in urban areas. Example sentence. Urbanization has contributed to social inequality in many cities, where a large percentage of the population still lives below the poverty line. 8. Food and diet. 1. Nutritional value. The content of essential nutrients in food. 2. Processed food. Food that has been altered from its natural state. 3. Organic produce. Food grown without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers. 4. Balanced diet. A diet that includes all the essential nutrients in the right proportions. 5. Obesity epidemic. The widespread prevalence of obesity in a population. Example sentence. Consuming a balanced diet with high nutritional value is key to preventing health issues like obesity. Tips for using topic-specific vocabulary. 1. Learn vocabulary in context. Understanding how words are used in sentences will help you use them more naturally. 2. Practice writing. Use these words in sample IELTS essays or speaking practice to become more comfortable with them. 3. Use synonyms. Avoid repeating the same words. Use synonyms to demonstrate a wide range of vocabulary. By incorporating these topic-specific words and phrases into your speaking and writing, you can demonstrate a richer vocabulary and potentially boost your IELTS band score.